In the memory section in Parker Motion Manager is where we allocate memory for all the programs. There's already default values assigned for all the programs. You can always come in here and change these and increase it if need be. Now note that program 14 is where we store the information when we capture the arrays of the data for the graphing in the servo tuner and the oscilloscopes, and that gets uploaded into Parker Motion Manager. Program 15 is used to store the entire configuration wizard as HTML code in there, so you don't need to worry about that. And then P0 to P4095 are user variables that you can use within your program. They're 64-bit floats. Those are allocated here. And you also have 100 defines, and we'll get to that when we get into the program editor that allows you to name those variables something meaningful other than P0 or P1 in there. By default, we've allocated about 50% of the memory within the controller. You've got a lot more space if you need it as well too.